Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Referee blows the whistle and the match starts. 5 minutes inside the game, Hoto receives the ball inside the box. Unfortunately, Grant Kakana is unable to clear. The ball goes back to Hoto, who takes a shot, but the shot is saved by Williams. What a great save by Williams. That shot was goal-bound. He cleverly used his foot to block the ball. 12 minutes inside the game, Apollos crosses the ball inside the box. The ball finds Mbotuma, but unfortunately he heads it straight to Williams, who makes a save. That's Orlando Pirates' second chance to take the lead. Another good save by Williams, making sure the score stays 0-0. 27 minutes inside the game, Rilo Mofokeng receives the ball, then makes a pass to Hoto, who takes a low shot, but the shot is saved by Williams. 35 minutes inside the game, Tito receives the ball inside the box, tries to take a shot, but the Mamelodi Sundowns defender makes a great tackle and clears the ball. So far, most of the dangerous attacks have been from Orlando Pirates. Williams is the reason the score is still 0-0, making fantastic saves. 1 minute later, Nuno Santos receives the ball, hits a through ball to Leon, who's inside the box. Leon makes a trap and scores a goal. Orlando Pirates 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. What a wonderful goal by Leon. He makes no mistake in front of the box. Fantastic play by Mamelodi Sundowns, making sure to punish Orlando Pirates. There are some goals that you can see that are straight from the training ground. 5 minutes before halftime, Mudiba receives the ball, hits a through ball to Leon, who makes no mistake and scores a goal. Orlando Pirates 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. What a pinpoint through ball by Mudiba, finding Leon between the two center backs of Orlando Pirates, and Leon poaches the goal. What a turnaround just within 10 minutes, from Orlando Pirates' endless attacks to Mamelodi Sundowns having just 2 attacks and scoring. This is the difference in quality. Mamelodi Sundowns ends the first half on a high with more attacks at Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, ever since conceding 2 goals, Orlando Pirates' play has dropped. Referee blows the whistle and it's half time. I think Orlando Pirates will have to be more aggressive in the second half. They are respecting Mamelodi Sundowns way too much. No one is attacking. They're able to build up from the back. I think for Mamelodi Sundowns, what they have to do now is just manage the game. 2 goals ahead. All they have to do is contain the ball, rotate the ball, and hopefully they can score the third one. Referee blows the whistle and the second half starts. 1 minute inside the second half, Apollos receives the ball. He then takes a cross to find Mbotuma. Unfortunately, Mbotuma hits the post. This is another missed chance by Orlando Pirates. Few seconds later, Tito receives the ball from Mbotuma, who takes a shot and scores a goal. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Tito takes a shot, it deflects off Mokoena and finds its way inside the net. This is a good start to the second half for Orlando Pirates. There's enough time for Orlando Pirates to come back and even win the game. For the next 10 minutes, there's more attacks from Orlando Pirates, there's more attacks from Mamelodi Sundowns, but none of them are able to capitalize. 60 minutes inside the game, Mokoena receives the ball a few meters out, takes a shot, but Sipho Chain makes the save. 70 minutes inside the game, Mamelodi Sundowns wins a corner. The corner is taken, Diamande hits a header, and the ball hits the post. Mamelodi Sundowns' offside trap has been working well. Almost more than 5 offsides for Orlando Pirates. Right now, Mamelodi Sundowns are just managing the game, rotating the ball between each other, attacking here and there. This is literally the difference between the two teams. One needs 5 chances to score 1 goal. The other one needs 1 chance to score 1 goal. Referee blows the whistle and the match is over.